Smoking, I pouring up, keep that lean up in my cup. All my car got leather and wood. In my hood, we call it book. Everybody wanna ball. I let brawls at the mall. If he up, watch him fall. I can't fuck with y'all.
Pussy ass hoe niggas.
I can't fuck with y'all.
Bitches all up in my business.
I can't fuck with y'all.
Muscular sac in the pelvis, just above and behind the pubic bone. Carries urine from the kidneys to the urinary bladder. Fluids from your blood, which are then excreted into the urine. In the upper far left part of the abdomen, to the left of the stomach. From the gallbladder and empty it into the upper part of the small intestine. The gallbladder is to carry bile and empty it into the upper part of the small intestine. The function is to store and concentrate bile, a yellow-brown digestive enzyme produced by the liver. Juices produced by the pancreas are secreted into the small intestine to further break down food after it has left the stomach. It regulates the composition of blood, including the amounts of sugar, protein, and fat that enters the bloodstream. Of the large intestine, from the splenic flexure to the beginning of the sigmoid colon. The function of the descending colon in the digestive system is to store the remains of digestive food that will be emptied into the rectum. Is to absorb fluids and salts that remain after completion of the intestine digestion and absorption, and to mix its contents with a lubricating substance, which is mucus. Is the joining point between the large and small intestine. Used for the small intestine, and mesenteric organ is sometimes used to refer to the rest of the mesentery that incorporates the mesocolon, mesoappendix, mesosigmoid, and mesocritum. Intestines, where 90% of the digestion and absorption of food occurs, is a muscular valve that opens to allow food to pass from the stomach to the small intestine. Acids and enzymes that digest foods are fat deposition having varying amounts of adipose tissue. The right upper chamber of the heart receives deoxygenated blood from the body through the vena cava and pumps it into the right ventricle, which then sends it to the lungs to be oxygenated. It has two layers, a serous layer and a fibrous layer. It encloses the pericardial cavity, which contains pericardial fluid. Primary muscle used in the process of inspiration or inhalation to help oxygen reach into red blood cells. Is to help oxygen from the air we breathe. Known as vocal cords or voice reeds are composed of twin enfoldings of mucous membranes stretched horizontally from back to front across the larynx. Shaped flap of cartilage located behind the tongue at the top of the larynx or voice box. Or windpipe is a wide, hollow tube that connects the larynx, or voice box. One important function, which is to carry food, liquids, and saliva from the mouth to the stomach.